Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 connections and server problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, click here and then type Windows Update Settings, uh, Windows Update Settings, and select this one and then click check for updates. And after that, once you're here, just install all the updates that you can find here and go back. After that, type here control panel and click on it. Click network and internet, network and sharing center, and here you will find your connection. Click on it, click properties, then click protocol internet version 4 and click properties, and after that click used following DNS server addresses. Copy those numbers here 8888 8844 and click OK and OK, and then close it. And that's it. After that, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, open Task Manager, and here close the applications that you don't need, applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome. Right click and end task, then you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.